Do you want to learn how to generate audio that is text to speech inside Hailuo AI? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. The audio feature is the new feature which is currently in beta, and this feature they're trying to compete with ElevenLabs, but it's not at that level yet. Now in the middle of this, you can type a script here. I've typed a prompt here, which is an AI video prompt. You can type any script here and then generate speech to get an AI voiceover for it. Now you can enter these codes between these lines to add a pause in the voiceover. For example, this one here is a 0.5 seconds pause. So when the AI voice speaks Cinderella, it's going to take a 0.5 seconds pause and then it's going to start speaking again. And just like that, it's going to take a 1.5 seconds pause here and then start speaking again. Now on the button, you can select this voice. Now, one really good thing that I like about Hailuo AI that I'm not even seeing in video right now because you need to pay for it is that you can create your own voice clones for free in the free plan. Yes, you heard that right. And I've created these two here. Take a listen to this. Hello, I'm delighted to assist you with our voice services. Choose a voice that resonates with you, and let's begin our creative audio journey together. Now, it does not sound exactly like me. It has that similar tone, but it does not sound like me. Now, you can keep trying it. You can feed it more data, and it's going to get a similar sounding voice as yours. So I'm going to show you how to do it. You can delete your cloned voice from here in My Voices. And if you go to Voices under the text to speech, now inside this, you can create your own voice clone by clicking on this button. It will take you over to the place where you can create your voice clone. Now you can see here that the voice slots remaining has 2 out of 3. So I just have one voice clone that I can do. And this is basically like you can have 3 different voices cloned for free in the free version. Now if I click on it, it's going to take me over to this page and I can name the voice. It accepts up to 30 characters. You can add or drop a file here. Each file can be up to 50 MB each. And this says uploaded samples. You can add 10 samples here. You can also remove the background noise with AI from your audio samples, but this is optional and it may affect the sound details. But instead of choosing this option to add or drop an sound file, you can record your own audio if you have a microphone attached to your laptop or computer. Click on it and it's going to give you this on the top. Accept all the permissions, and once done, you can click again to record the audio. I would not advise you to select this to remove the background noise from your audio samples. Just avoid this. Record the audio for 60 seconds and then select the language that you spoke in. These are all the languages available. Select English. In my case, I'm selecting English and I'm going to select this, which is needed. So here I hereby confirm that the voices does not infringe on others' rights. This is needed, and then just click on convert. It's going to convert and clone your voice, and then you can use it inside text to speech. Just switch the voice, go to My Voices, and then click on use to use that voice. In library, you can see all the voices are here. So you can use any one of them. You can select these filters. For example, I chose this voiceover, and on the right in settings, you can choose the settings for this voice. So there are so many different options for this voice here. For example, in language, I'm going to choose English. Emotion, you can make it happy, sad, angry. You can set the speed, increase the speed or decrease the speed of the voice, increase the pitch of the voice or decrease it. There are modifiers, deepen the voice, stronger, nasal, crisp, etc. There's also spacious echo, so it's going to create echo in it. Let's click it and try it out. Auditorium echo is there, lo-fi, telephone, and robotic. Let's generate the speech and take a look at it.
Generate surreal reinterpretations of classic fairy tales, like Cinderella or Sleeping Beauty, with AI-inspired elements like robotic.
Okay, that had the echo in it. I'm going to disable it and generate the speech again.
Generate surreal reinterpretations of classic fairy tales like Cinderella or Sleeping Beauty, with AI-inspired elements like robotic princes, glowing forests, and digital castles. Blend whimsical and futuristic styles.
Okay, that sounds great. And you can generate these type of voices. And that's it. This is how to use the audio feature inside Hailuo AI to generate these type of text-to-speech voices or clone your own voice for free. If this video helps solve your problem, let me know with a like and comment.